Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a calendar event in your calendar on Freedcamp. So let us dive into this. So head over to the Freedcamp web application. Here in the top left, guys, select the calendar board. Now, browse through your calendar. You can, for example, go to the next month here or return to today or use the daily, weekly, and monthly view. So let us schedule an event for next week, like let's say August 19th, right? Click into it and choose the event type, like milestone, task, or calendar event. And then give it a title here, like, I don't know, party 01, for example. You can also navigate to the full form here and then describe it in the description box. Set it to all day or not. Set the start date, due date. Invite users here, and then guys click into create, and that is going to add the calendar event to your calendar with that icon here. Right, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we catch you later.